You open Facebook and something feels off. You can log in, but you can't post. Or your ad account is frozen. Or you get a vague notice that your account has been restricted with zero explanation of why. If that's you right now, don't panic. You don't need to do anything drastic yet. I will show you exactly what's happening and what to do about it. Watch this video till the end because I will show you a clean multi-accounting setup for the Facebook restricted situation and how to get 2 GB of free proxies so you can start to protect your accounts with less risk. First, a restriction is not a ban. Facebook uses a progressive strike system. 1 strike is just a warning. 7 strikes is a 24-hour restriction. 10 or more and you're looking at a 30-day suspension. Serious violations can skip straight to 30 days. And the most frustrating part, Facebook actually almost never tell you what specific action triggered it. And 3 things cause it most often. Content violation, anything that touches Meta's community standards. Spam-like behavior, joining groups, liking posts, or sending multiple messages in rapid bursts that look like a bot. And suspicious login sign-outs, a new device, a different country, or multiple browsers in quick succession. Facebook restricts first, ask questions later. Okay, you're restricted. Here's what to actually do. For a personal account, click your profile picture, go to Help and Support, report a problem, and something went wrong. In the details field, explain your situation calmly, attach a screenshot if you have one, and hit submit. Some appeals resolve in hours, others can take days. For a business or ad account, go to Facebook Business Support. Find your restricted asset, click what you can do, then request a review. You may need to upload an ID or business documentation. 2 quick myths. Incognito mode doesn't keep your account separate. It clears cookies, but your browser fingerprint stays the same. And a VPN alone isn't enough. Facebook tracks more than your IP. Without fingerprint isolation, accounts still get linked. And here are 2 rules worth saving. If your ad account is restricted and you see a what you can do box in the business support, use that path first. These agents are human and can escalate internally in the ways that the app form can. And if your appeal gets no response and your restrictions keep coming back, don't just resubmit it. The environment hasn't changed, so the result won't change either. Fix that first, then appeal. And here's the prevention piece. Facebook reads your browser fingerprint, screen resolution, GPU Canva rendering, audio output, time zone, language settings. If 2 accounts share a fingerprint, 1 restriction spreads to both. Anti-detect browsers solve this by giving each account its own isolated profile. Unique fingerprint, unique IP, separate cookies. To Facebook, each profile is a different device used by a different person. You can use any anti-detect browser you want for this. What I will show is Gologin. It handles fingerprint generation automatically with built-in proxy. Download Gologin from their website, Windows, Mac and Linux, all supported. Sign up with Google or email. There's a 7-day free trial, no card needed up front. Once you're in, click Add Profile, name it something like the name of your client, find the proxy section, toggle on the built-in proxy, choose the country that matches your account original location. Now, click Check Proxy. You should see a green confirmation that the IP is live and working. Hit Create Profile. Now, click Run. A clean browser window open, fresh fingerprints, no history, no saved data. Before you touch Facebook, open a new tab and go to iphey.com. You're looking for a green, trustworthy result. If you see any warnings about inconsistent sign-outs or suspicious parameters, close that profile, delete it, and generate a new one. Don't ever log in into Facebook with a profile that fails this check. That's the whole point of this verification step. Once iphey shows clean, go to facebook.com and log in as normal. Gologin saves your session automatically, so next time you click Run Profile, you are straight back without re-entering your credentials or triggering any 2-factor challenge. Okay, real talk. This won't recover an already restricted account. The appeal process is the only path for that. What this setup prevents is the next restriction, and it stops one bad account from dragging down every account you manage. If you run one single personal account with normal usage, you probably don't need it. It's the most valuable when you're managing multiple accounts for clients or for different ads. Quick recaps. Restrictions aren't bans. They are warnings. The 3 main causes are content violation, spam-like behavior, and suspicious login patterns. Fix it with 1 Clean appeal, not multiple submissions. Prevent the next ones with isolated profile, verified clean at iphey.com before any login. If you want to replicate this Facebook account restricted setup and grab your 40% off and claim your 2 GB of free proxies, make sure to click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. It's right there. Grab it because it's worth it. And I will see you in my next video.